Hi there, it's Evan again with Autel Robotics, and today, on the second episode of Can You Even EVO, we'll be going over a couple quick tips that you may not have known about to increase the maximum performance of your EVO II. So the first tip we're going to go over is putting your antennas in the correct position. You're going to want to do this to increase your signal strength and achieve maximum flight distance. So once they're unfolded, you want to aim them directly down at the ground. You want to make sure the flat part is facing the aircraft. Remember to always maintain a visual line of sight of your aircraft. It's also important to know that objects in your surrounding area can contribute to a lower signal strength. Next, before taking off, you want to ensure you have proper GPS connectivity. To do that, you want to aim for at least 3 bars of GPS on your remote controller. 3 bars indicates an accurate GPS signal. Moving on, after takeoff, you want to hover above your home point for approximately 15 seconds. In doing so, your EVO II will get an accurate home point reading. Fun fact, the EVO II even takes reference photos when it's taking off to ensure accuracy when landing. Once the eagle has left the nest, for those of us who like to live the simple life like me, you can actually swipe up on the image transmission to get rid of that pesky HUD. Another feature that you may not have known the EVO II had was manual focus assist. Manual focus assist puts a red outline around the object in focus. In the Autel Explorer app, you want to make sure that you're already in manual focus. Within camera settings, you can then turn on manual focus assist. So I do have to get back before I get yelled at by Alejandro, so lastly, let's take a look at flight logs. To view your flight log, you want to make sure that you're logged into your user account on the Autel Explorer application. From the home screen, you'll tap on your photo and then flight records. After that, it'll give you a list of all of your flight records. Flight logs are great for viewing previous flights. They show you flight telemetry as well as your flight path. So that does it for my quick tips. I hope you learned something. I know I didn't. Catch you next time on Can You Even EVO?